My brother made this big spider. It has like 2, 3, 4, 5 legs. It looks like an ant, but a spider. It's pretty cool. Hey Mom, what are you making? A dump truck. So it looks like. I know you guys see it upside down, but it says Logan. Because my mom's here for Logan. Oh, happy early birthday, Mom. Happy early birthday to me. Alright, David, what are you doing? You're looking at nature? Really crunchy.
Lolo, come stay over here.
Ain't a brown.
Lolo! Logan, come over here! You know, I'm gonna go see what's
Go
up.
over there with Mommy if there's ants.
What you found, Lolo? Oh, that was pretty cool. Hey, Logan, wanna say hi? Hi. Ah! Ah! Come on, Logan. Look at SpongeBob. What you doing, big girl? Say hi. Yeah. Give big girl kisses. No? SpongeBob SquarePants.
Get off my picture. Put that right.
And I'll
That looks awesome.
Logan. Hey Mom, do you mind if I take David on a nature hunt? Since he's not so into. Hey guys, David, come on, let's go find nature.
Okay, look, it's a failure, Patrick.
Okay, look at all the outfield. Where do you want to go? We're gonna go on a nature hunt.
We're going nature. Come on, go this way. This way to nature. We're gonna go this way.
Be careful of ant piles. The ants get really bad. So guys, we're gonna pause it real quick. Okay guys, so here it is. The nature.
Okay, y'all, we gotta find a leaf that is pointy, a couple leaves, like a stick.
Is this pointy?
A stick?
No. So we need to find
Wait,
a
is this one pointy? Yeah.
So we
So
already
we're gonna
found.
grab this one.
Yep.
Now we got the pointy leaf. Now we have to find a stick hanging from a tree.
All right, we need to find a. Ooh, look, there's some sticks up here.
It's got to be a straight stick hanging from a tree. Okay, Day, look. Go in.
We're also looking for flowers. We're gonna try and find 3 different kinds of flowers.
Oh, look, here's one.
I don't see it. We found 1 kind of flower. We need to see if we can find 2 more kinds of flowers
We have 2
and a
objects.
stick.
Oh, look, here's some sticks.
Ooh, there's a pointy stick, kind of.
Straight. It's a straight stick.
Okay, we found 3 out of 5 things so far.
I did it going this way. We got find.
We need to find
Okay,
another.
wait, no, Day, let's go out because it goes straight down as a drop. So let's
Yeah,
go over
over
here.
there. Let's look
Let's
more
try to
over
find
here.
2 different kinds of flowers. Oh, look. I found another.
So we have what kind of flowers, Jacob?
I'm not that smart.
I think that's a dandelion.
No, dandelions, you blow on them and stuff falls off.
Oh,
Wait a
yeah.
minute, let's see if that happens.
No.
It didn't work. Okay.
I know we got a
David, look, we gotta
sunflower.
find one more
Oh, a
flower.
sunflower, and a daisy. Let's find another flower.
So
David!
our companion ran away.
Okay,
now we're on
so
the nature hunt.
we need to find 2 different color leaves, and we need
We
to find.
need another kind of flower.
Yes. It's gonna be really hard because only certain kinds of flowers grow over here. Oh, I guess Logan, we switched companions. Okay, Logan, can you help us find a flower?
So instead of finding a different kind of flower, we have to find something else, like a stick that looks fuzzy and feels fuzzy.
That's
Okay,
gonna be
I guess
impossible.
Logan found it. Nope, I found it. Doesn't it look fuzzy? And
Yes.
feel fuzzy.
It feels really fuzzy, and it's pretty big too. That's what she said. But yeah, So let's find what other things we can try and find. Ooh, look at this. That looks kind of cool. Look, caterpillar's been here. You can see that in the big
Oh,
fuzzy
yeah, look at
leaves.
this. These are all the things we have collected on our nature thing. These are pretty much anything you can find in ordinary wood.
Where's Logan? Oh, he's back over there. He's all the way over there.
Well,
Okay.
let's see what this is. Let's see.
If you guys know what this is, please tell us in the comments.
Looks like a seed dispersal stick.
Yeah, that's what it kind of looks like. Oh, look, we found some yellow leaves.
Right here.
Found some yellow leaves and green leaves. Here, let's look at these ones. They're super big.
This is super fuzzy yellow leaf. Turning yellow at least.
Yes. Okay, so what else should we look for?
Take this back to our spot.
Alright, and we'll get back with you guys when we're over. Okay, so we're showing our mom what we found. Mom, we tried to find 3 different kind of leaves. We only found 2, a daisy and a sunflower. We found this fuzzy seed dispersal leaf. Oh! And a big, humongous green fuzzy leaf and a fuzzy leaf that's yellow. We're gonna go and find some more things and stuff.
Wait, Danny, can we go get our drink?
Mama.
Danny, can me and Cole go get our drink? Yeah.
Look at all the big trees too. Well, they're not big, but
Yeah, let's all go back in the room.
No, we don't want to go home. We're not done yet.
I'm about that.
David and Logan ain't.
sorry guys if you heard some of that. But
Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna get our drink from the house, and then yeah, let's do it.
okay, so we're not gonna pause it. No, because we're gonna look at some stuff when we get through. But when we get over in there, all right. Okay, guys, watch this. We're gonna get to the room in less than 2 seconds. On your mark, get set, go.
All right, so I made it here faster than Cole did. Okay, so now that we are here, this is my cousin. All right, let's wait. Let's go try to find him. Where could Cole Beans be? Or should I say KB? Where could KB be? JR got the camera, so where KB? Say KB. Say where you at?
Mama.
Wait, Mama coming.
Mama.
Say I got. Say KB over there.
Mama. Mama.
Yeah, this kid doesn't have teleporter. I do.
I have super speed, but I need fuel.
I'm teleporter. All right, let's get our little cousin over here. Come on, old dude. Old dude. Hey, leg up.
Leg up.
All right. Mission: get back to our room and get a drink. Is a go.
No, mom's going back, right?
Yeah.
We're not going back outside. Well, because you just got front with David. Like then David comes in, so. Alright,
Trash
try to
cans.
get to the hotel we're at.
No, don't do that. Leave it in the comments if you can, though. It's an elevator. Yo, there was a. Hold on. All right, we'll teleport to the room again. Boom.
Alright,
So
we're on
we are
here.
back inside now, and here's the drink I've been wanting.
Back so early?
No, we're just grabbing a drink.
No, Danny's coming back. Okay, so they have some mess in here. My little baby cousin's thingy.
Walker.
Yeah,
Okay,
thing.
Drink mine.
This kid.
Alright, so we get back to you.
When we catch up.